Welcome to Math Wednesday, April 22nd. Today we are going to continue to work on order of operations. So you're going to start off with a check for understanding today. You will have 3 opportunities to answer 4 questions and practice your order of operations. If after those 3 attempts you do not receive 100%, on Friday I'll make some small groups and we'll kind of go over and do a little small group reteaching. So for today, you are going to be creating a little project with order of operations. You are going to create a clock using expressions to represent the hours on the clock. So I've given you an example, and mine is for 12 o'clock. On the next page, I've actually recorded a video of myself talking about the steps I took to make my expression. So your job is going to be to create 6 expressions. So you get to choose 6 different times on the clock, 1 o'clock through 12 o'clock. And in each expression, you have to have 3 or more operations, which if you look at my example here, I have an exponent and then I have addition, division, and subtraction. So I've got more than 3 operations. In yours, at least 2 of your expressions must include either a parentheses or brackets. And then you have to have at least 2 expressions that have to include an exponent. Be creative. You can hand draw this. I actually used my Cricut machine to create the circle and the hands and my expression. You can cut some things out of magazines. You can use a computer to create your clock. Or, you can take a clock that you find in your house and go through and take note cards or something and gently tape either on or around the clock in the position for the hour it would belong in. You're going to turn in a picture of your clock to Canvas. And I've just included some examples here of different clocks. One that is more what we did with renaming numbers. There's one all with representing by square root. And then there's another one that is actually a much higher level math, more high school, college level, but all again representing the hours on a clock. So just some examples to get your brain flowing. So here's where you're going to turn it in, but I've given you some additional information to help get you going. So the Word document is linked here as well. I want you to make sure that you watch this video of myself talking about how I created my expression. And then when you're done, you're going to take a picture of your clock and upload it to this assignment. The next thing you're going to do, which is the last thing for your E-Day, is in a Flipgrid video, I want you to take one of your expressions. It could be for any of your 6 expressions that you've created, and you're going to explain how you created it and how you got the answer and you know that you are correct. Similar into how I did my video, but it's going to be representing you, and it can be in any way you chose to create it. So once you've created your Flipgrid video, you'll open and submit here, and you are done for your Math E-Day. I hope that you have a wonderful day today, and I look forward to seeing you during our Zoom lesson today.